that her basement's about to flood because her sprinklers won't turn off. So we're gonna go turn off their water and find out what's going on.
Okay, so I was fertilizing lawns. I get this stressful call from Justin telling me that a customer who's not actually a customer, but I'll tell you the story. This customer's yard was flooding because something broke in their sprinkler box. And so one of my mow guys was mowing the lawn next door to them a couple weeks ago. And this homeowner that had a flood in her backyard went over to my employee and asked if he can look at this sprinkler problem. So he did, and instead of calling us, he decided to take upon himself to fix the problem himself on the side and get paid directly from the customer. That is a definite no-no. You can never do that. Anyway, he fixes the problem, gets paid from the customer, but the problem comes back. And now the customer cannot get a hold of this employee, who, by the way, doesn't work here anymore. I had to let him go because of this situation, but could not get a hold of this employee. So the customer, he knew they worked here. So guess who gets the call? You guessed it. Me and Justin get the call, and now we feel obligated, even though we had nothing to do with this, because our name and reputation is on the line. We had to go out there and make this right. So anyway, that's what happened. Pipes underneath broke, but we ended up fixing it. And we did additional work to make sure that their system was even better and stronger than it was. So we ended up doing some paid work. We did get paid for some, but definitely did not charge them our regular price at all. They got a really great deal. We got the problem handled. The customer's happy. Overall, it was a good day, but you can imagine the first call was really stressful. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Click subscribe, I really appreciate it. And share, hit the bell so you'll keep up with all the new stuff. Thanks.